Welcome back to Generative AI Learning Series. In the last video, we talked about what Generative AI is and why it's important. But to really understand it, let's go back and look at the journey from artificial intelligence to machine learning and to deep learning. This is the evolution that made Generative AI possible. AI, the big umbrella. Artificial intelligence or AI is the broad field of computer science that tries to make machines capable of tasks that normally require human intelligence. In the early days, AI was rule based. We had to program every instruction manually. Like if this happens, when then do that. For example, if X then Y, like that. These systems worked but could not learn or adopt the changes. So machine learning, learning from data. Machine learning is a subfield of AI that changed the game. Instead of giving machines a strict set of rules, we give them data and they learn patterns from it. For example, in supervised learning, we give the machine labeled examples like thousands of cat and dog pictures. So it learns to classify new ones. In unsupervised learning, there are no labels. The system just finds hidden patterns, for example, grouping customers with similar behavior. There's also semi supervised learning, a mix of both. So deep learning, the breakthrough. Deep learning is type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks inspired by human brain. These networks have multiple layers, which is why we call them deep. Each layer processes information and passes it forward, allowing the system to recognize very complex patterns. This is the technology behind image recognition, natural language processing, speech recognition, and of course, generative AI. So the evolution recap. So to recap, AI is the broad field of making machines intelligent. Machine learning is about teaching them with data. Deep learning uses neural networks to unlock advanced capabilities. Generative AI builds on all of this. It's the next step in evolution. So in the next video, we will explore the two big families of AI models, discriminative and generative AI models. And that's where things get really interesting. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.